Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Stand in front of a mirror and take a straight 1 cm ruler photo of your face. Use a neutral expression and hold the camera eye level for accuracy. Measure differences from nose center to each pupil and note any asymmetry in millimeters. Record 3 baseline videos of a neutral face for 2 minutes, each over 1 week to track progress. Use consistent lighting and distance. This assessment creates a repeatable baseline for exercises and interventions you will perform later. Perform cheek lifts by smiling and lifting cheeks upward for 4 seconds per rep. Complete 3 sets of 12 reps, resting 30 seconds between sets every morning. Do jaw realignment stretches twice daily for 30 seconds per side to rebalance muscles and reduce tightness. Add targeted forehead raises, 2 sets of 10 reps, to even brow height and tension. Practice 20 minutes of facial myofunctional training every day for 4 weeks to promote symmetry. Track exercises and adjust intensity based on weekly measurements. Improve sleep posture by sleeping on your back at least 7 hours each night to reduce side compression. Limit chewing gum to under 10 minutes daily to avoid unilateral muscle overuse and jaw strain. Maintain hydration and a balanced diet to support tissue recovery and collagen production. See a licensed physical therapist or ENT if asymmetry exceeds 5 mm or worsens despite consistent exercises. Consider professional assessment for structural issues and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.